Welcome aboard this beautiful 2024 True North 34 Outboard Express, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The 2024 True North 34 Outboard Express is a high-performance, versatile cruising boat designed with modern amenities and rugged build quality. True North is known for crafting boats that combine elegance and functionality, and the 34 Outboard Express is no exception. The True North 34 has a sleek, contemporary design that balances luxury with durability. Built using advanced composite materials, the boat is lightweight, yet robust enough to handle both coastal cruising and more demanding conditions. The design incorporates a swim platform that extends out along both sides of the boat with a stainless steel ladder on the port side, allowing easy access to the boat from the dock or from the water. The boat is powered by twin 300 horsepower Suzuki outboard engines, mounted on Porter Products hydraulic transom brackets. The Porter hydraulic bracket provides straight up and straight down control of the engines, allowing more access to shallow water. This configuration delivers excellent speed, fuel efficiency, and maneuverability. Whether you're navigating through calm waters or tackling choppy seas, the boat handles smoothly and adds to this boat's go-anywhere quality. Stepping aboard onto the wide gunnels is easy, and the large open cockpit is ideal for fishing, entertaining, or just lounging. The cockpit is designed for easy mobility, and there's ample storage for gear and equipment. The design includes many well-thought-out features, such as fold-away seats, well-placed handles and railings, along with the safety of smart plug shore power plugs. Access to the Fisher Panda 4 kW generator is easy through a cockpit deck hatch. Adding to the comfort and luxury is the SureShade automated boat shade system, which is an electric-powered driven retractable boat shade that automatically extends or retracts canvas at the touch of a button and is the ultimate in shade convenience and comfort. The walk-around deck features an open path from the cockpit to the side decks, making it exceptionally safe and easy to move from the cockpit forward. Well placed and numerous handrails adds to the comfort and security of this boat. On the bow, you're greeted with an open and easy to move around deck. The open foredeck design also provides easy access to the vertical Lumar windlass and beautiful stainless steel anchor. This spacious foredeck provides plenty of room for lounging or additional activities. Another outstanding feature is the ability to open the door and windows in the aft of the cabin, allowing the cabin and cockpit space to flow together. The windows fold back and lock and provide excellent visibility both open and closed. Entering the salon, you are greeted with a bright and open interior. The well-designed interior features high-quality materials, rich wood finishes, and there's ample headroom throughout. A very functional dinette and beautiful table provide ample room for meals for crew and guests. The large salon is comfortable and accommodating and has been equipped with a 16,000 BTU reverse cycle air conditioning and heating system in the salon, and an additional 10,000 BTU reverse cycle air conditioning and heating system in the cabin, providing an interior that is comfortable even in the Texas summers. Adding to the innovative features is a power hideaway TV that stores neatly in the overhead. To starboard is a contour-shaped galley featuring Corian solid surface countertop, refrigerator mounted under the counter, single burner electric stove, microwave, custom molded FRP sink, and ample storage. With this True North 34 being configured with outboard engines, there is a significant amount of storage space under the saloon floor. The view from the helm both to the aft and forward is excellent. The comfortable port side seat can rotate around and face forward or aft. The helm seat provides comfort and excellent support. The boat is equipped with a high-quality navigation and electronics package, including a Garmin 16-inch multifunction display, radar, AIS, Optimus joystick system for the outboards, autopilot sonar and fusion radio. This makes it well suited for both leisure cruising and longer voyages. With the joystick bow thruster control, maneuvering at slow speed is made easier so that getting in and out of a slip should be a stress-free event. The large cabin with walk-around centerline berth is a spacious and comfortable space that has excellent standing room along with plenty of room over the bed. With a perfect blend of practicality and luxury, the interior has been carefully designed to maximize comfort, making this the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. The boat is equipped with a head with solid surface countertop, stainless steel sink, and shower, making it perfect for overnight or extended trips. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the True North 34 is designed to help you do it all. To book your appointment to view this 2024 True North 34, contact Little Yacht Sales.